In that region, there were shepherds tending their flock in the night, when an angel of the Lord stood before them, and they were terrified.
Be not afraid. I bring you good news of great joy. For today, in the city of David, a Savior, the Messiah, is born.
Having been told where to find the child, the shepherds made their way to Bethlehem.
While shepherds watch their flocks by night, all seated on the ground, the angel of the Lord came down, and glory shone around.
Fear not, said he, for mighty dread sees their troubled mind.
Glad tidings of great joy I bring to you and all mankind. Gloria, 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 Gloria. Gloria, sing Gloria, Gloria, sing Gloria, Gloria, Gloria. To you in David's town this day is born of David's line, the Savior who is Christ the Lord, and this shall be a sign.
The happy child you there shall find, to human fear dismayed.
All are we wrapped in swaddling clothes, and in a manger laid. Gloria in excelsis Deo, Gloria in excelsis Deo, in excelsis Deo.